Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another interesting video. I was struggling to buy something amazing for my Insta360 camera for car external clamping or mounting, and finally I got something from Amazon with a reasonable price and a discount, and this was around 300 something Saudi riyals, and that's it. It was very nice option for me and hopefully it will be successful. The reason why I went for this is, a special arrangement for the suction cups. So usually you can change the of the suction by pushing these pumps, and let's see how it goes. Basically it looks the brand is called Never something. You can find it on the Amazon, and it has got this arrangement, of course, on the car, so you can mount it vertically, horizontally, and you can, hopefully it's more powerful than the usual suction cups we have on the market. So the way it works, so we have 3 suction cups basically, so 2 plus 1. So basically we'll have one stick will be on the 2 one, and the third one will be having holding the clamp like the picture here. So finally we are done with the assembly of Insta360 car mount. Have you seen that we are using currently this single cup suction on the stick, and then the other 2 as the support on the car. And of course it can be other way around. It depends on how we are going to arrange them. For instance, if we are going to arrange them vertically, I would suggest change the arrangement, like 2 on the stick side and 1 on the upside. But if you are arranging on the roof of the car, then probably this will be the best option, because the main weight of the stick will be then these 2 cups. If it's the opposite, like if you are doing this vertically, then I would recommend that you shift these 2 cups on the bottom, move the single cup on this side, so that weight is equally balanced and more weight is covered by these 2 suction cups. On top of that, don't forget, if you're using the same model, so what it does basically, it in the bottom, if you see, there is a suction, the air gap, and with this tiny thing, the fluffy thing, is kind of air suction valve or something. Without them, you can go to any flat surface, the car mirror, or let's say the car body. Once you stuck there, they start pushing them, and what it does basically, it sucks the air from inside this cup, and ultimately it will get inside this position. So this is a check. If it gets inside here, which means you can imagine suction is done fully and then it is airtight now. But if it's somewhere here, the white line you can see outside, so it means it's not perfectly settled down. So do whatever you best, and then just to make sure that this white line is somewhere here, then it means the cup is fully rigid now. And that was it. In our first part, we forgot to mention some other parts. So we have some keys to tighten the screws, which usually you don't need them, but in case. And then you also have a safety wire or something clip, which you can of course put it to the overall mounting arrangement, so that you don't get lost in case of, let's say, worst case scenario, it falls down and tip over, whatever. And this is for another type of arrangement if you are using DJI, some GoPro or other cameras. So another, let's say, slot, and this is kind of extension rod you can probably use to extend this up further. So what you will do, then you will put this first here, and then it will sit on top of this extension rod or something. Okay, so that was it, guys. And once I mount them on the car, then for sure there will be another video coming in. Until then, see you, take care, bye bye.